My final question would be related to the reforms in insurance industry. There are a couple of reforms lined up in the coming time. Insurance Act amendment is there, Bima Sugam platform, then Bima Vistar is also the combined product which IRD is planning to introduce. So how all these reforms will be beneficial for the insurance industry? And now that you are part of Central Bank of India also, and you will get access to more than 4,000 branches which Central Bank has across the country. So do you think that for your company, at least, bank assurance will be a challenge, because we have seen that a lot of complaints related to bank assurance channel. Finance Minister, Madam Nirmala Sitharaman, has also raised this issue a couple of times. So how will you balance under your new avatar?
So thanks, Anurag. So let me first come to the new reforms, and then I'll come to the central bank and bank insurance as a industry. So the new reforms are very progressive in nature, Anurag. We have been grappling to increase the penetration of insurance in the country. So with platform, the trinity of Bima, Sugam, Bima, Vahak and all that will help us penetrate markets where we have not been able to penetrate. So that's one thing I'm really looking forward. Also in the new regulation, there is proposal to have different sale of companies, which can be a product specific, which can be category specific, which can be distribution specific. I think then people can go with very calculated markets. They can go in calculated product lines and get deeper there. So that licensing, and also I've heard the suggestion is to remove the 100% minimum capital. So all those will make industry more flexible. See, today we have 20, 25 odd companies in the sector. If you look at larger markets, there are thousands of players. Now this should enable us to get more and more players. We should ensure that there is not a single case. Customer is priority. Customer protection is the key. We should take care of every sale, every case. But I think sometimes we are also getting lost in the saying there's a lot of mis-selling, because data statistically, which goes to the regulator, and regulator has says only 0.4% of the policies complaint comes, and mis-selling is part of that complaint bucket. So that's one thing I want to do, leave the consumer to understand and know. Firstly, coming to our case, we have started this relationship with a clear ethos, the mandate from the bank on various forums, whether when we are signing the agreements last month or when we are launching the business this month, is clear that the bank and us are clear that we don't want single mis-selling case.
Thank you so much, Mr. Roongta, for joining us today and sharing your insights on life insurance industry, on bank assurance and reforms planned in coming future. Thank you so much.
Thanks, Anurag. Thanks for this opportunity.
So time for a short break. When we'll be back, I'll be joined by Ashwini Ghai, a veteran of insurance industry, in our expert speak segment. Stay tuned.